In my last two videos, I showed you how you can install RKE2 server on 3 control nodes and 1 worker nodes. I also demonstrated how you can install or set up the Rancher Management UI. I also demonstrated how you can actually remove a control node from your cluster. Today, I'm going to show you how you can remove a worker node from your cluster. As you can see, I got 3 VMs here running. This one is my control node 1, this is my control node 2, and this is my worker node. We'll be removing this particular worker node called Vilma. To start off with, I'm going to show you that this particular is my server, actually RKE2 server. These two are server, and this is my worker or the agent, as you can see here. And we can also do a quick check with our kubectl command. And you're going to say get nodes. You can see there's 3 different nodes in that. 2 Scooby and Scrappy being the control nodes, and my Vilma is my worker nodes here. So the first thing I normally like to do is to find out what node we have on this particular one by using a get node. And after that, on your control node, just go to any of your control node and basically delete that particular node. But a lot of people say you are supposed to actually drain the node using this command like this. As you can see, it's a kubectl, drain, Vilma, and so on. But you'll realize that when you're trying to evict the particular node out of the whole thing, you can see that there's a lot of priority issues, and you will have latency. 9 out of 10 times, I always end up with lots and lots of this waiting for requests that goes in a loop perpetually. But if you have that, which is not a problem, you can press Ctrl+C to exit out of here and simply type kubectl and basically say delete node. I'm going to delete my node called Vilma like this, and then that particular node get deleted. In a process, what happens is that over time, all the other parts that's actually associated with this Vilma will get erased away or deleted by the garbage collector. Now, if you go to kubectl, get nodes like this, you can see Vilma is no longer in our cluster. Now, to make Vilma squeaky clean and remove any other binary files that might be in there, first of all, you're going to go ahead and run this particular command in there. In the old version of RKE2, there was a dedicated shell script that you're going to have to run, but in this newer version, you simply run RKE2 uninstall, similar to how you remove the control node, and then it will just do the trick for you. Once that is done, I'm going to clear my screen here. I normally like to run this remove file or the directory folder command so that it removes any residual files that the script might have missed. By the way, all these commands that I'm featuring today will be on the description of the video if you want to just copy and paste. For now, just stay focused with this video and I'll show you how everything is done. Once that's done, let's go ahead and do a systemctl check on my RK2 agent, and it should not be in our setup. Another optional thing that I like to do is that I like to clean up any tarball or any custom install path that I might have installed through the usage of this particular worker node here. Another thing I like to do is also remove any CNI or the container runtime that might have been residing on that particular system. Keep in mind, we're trying to keep this computer clean. Once that's done, go ahead and reboot your system and voila, you're done. Your worker node is no longer associated with your current cluster.